Apple captures 28% value share in India, becomes the third largest global iPhone market by volume. The premium segment led market growth with 29% YoY shipment growth, lifting the overall market's value by 18% and pushing average selling prices, ASPs, up 13% YoY. iPhone maker Apple has entered India's top 5 smartphone brands by volume for the first time in the July to September quarter, Q3 2025, capturing a 9% market share, up from 7% a year ago, according to Counterpoint Research's monthly India smartphone tracker. The milestone makes India Apple's third largest iPhone market globally, even as the company led the market in value with a 28% share during the quarter, underscoring its growing resonance among Indian consumers. The achievement came as India's smartphone market hit its highest-ever quarterly value, driven by a surge in demand for premium devices. Apple's stellar performance was fueled by strong sales of the iPhone 16 and 15 series, while the newly launched iPhone 17 series witnessed record-breaking demand, surpassing its predecessor's launch momentum. Apple's entry into the top 5 reflects India's rapid premiumization trend, supported by rising affordability, aspirational buying, and an expanding retail footprint. The iPhone 16 was the highest shipped smartphone in India for the second consecutive quarter, gaining traction beyond metros into smaller cities, further lifting Apple's average selling price, ASP, through growing demand for Pro models. India's smartphone shipments grew 5% year-on-year, YoY, in volume and 18% YoY in value, signaling a shift toward steady, value-led growth. This surge was fueled by festive sell-in, strong online and offline campaigns, and easy financing and trade-in offers that encouraged consumers to upgrade. With retail inflation easing and supportive fiscal measures improving household liquidity, the festive season began on a strong note as consumer confidence strengthened, said Prachir Singh, senior analyst at Counterpoint Research. Softer interest rates and easy financing options further fueled upgrade-driven demand, encouraging OEMs to stock channels in advance. Aggressive discounts and EMI offers on older models effectively attracted value-conscious buyers and set strong momentum for the quarter. The premium segment led market growth with 29% YoY shipment growth, lifting the overall market's value by 18% and pushing average selling prices, ASPs, up 13% YoY. Apple led the charge with a 28% value share, and Samsung followed closely with a 23% value share, buoyed by strong sales of its Galaxy S series, OLED mid-tier A series, and offers on high-end models. The latest Galaxy Z Fold lineup also recorded its highest-ever sales, cementing Samsung's leadership in the foldable segment. On the volume front, Vivo, excluding iQOO, retained leadership with a 20% market share backed by its extensive offline presence and the success of its T series in the mid-tier category. Samsung ranked second with a 13% share, followed by Oppo, excluding OnePlus, which on the volume front, Vivo, excluding iQOO, retained leadership with a 20% market share backed by its extensive offline presence and the success of its T series in the mid-tier category. Samsung ranked second with a 13% share, followed by Oppo, excluding OnePlus, which strengthened its position through an expanded portfolio, enhanced retailer engagement, and better margins. In Q3 2025, the market showed a strong balance between product cycles and channel strategy, even though there were fewer launches compared to last year, said Shubham Singh, research analyst at Counterpoint. Major online and offline sales events helped OEMs clear inventory and build momentum ahead of the festive season.